We interrupt our programming at the request of the Baldwin County Sheriff Department. This is the emergency alert system. This is not a test. All normal programming has been discontinued during this emergency. Residents in an easterly trajectory of points clear, including residents of Summerdale, Seminole, and Bellevue, are advised to shelter in place immediately. To shelter in place, enter a sturdy building or enclosed structure if one is available. Put as many opaque walls between you and the outside as possible. Do not shelter in any room with uncovered windows or view of the outside. If you cannot reach a structure within 5 minutes, lay on the ground with your head facing the floor. Cover the back of your head with your arms. Close your eyes. It is important you act now to ensure your survival. You have a limited time to seek shelter. Do not delay. If you have access to a blindfold or fabric large and thick enough to function as one, you should blindfold yourself immediately. If military personnel attempt to blindfold you, do not resist. There is not time to travel. You must shelter now. Do not attempt to retrieve distant relatives, as this will put both you and them at risk of death. This is not a test. Seek shelter now. This is an emergency action notification. Important instructions will follow. Close your eyes immediately. Do not open your eyes at any time. To repeat, close your eyes and do not open them for any reason. Cover your face with any opaque object you can find. Blindfold young children or those incapable of keeping their eyes shut, but do not do this at the expense of opening your eyes. Do not go outside. If you are currently outside, it is too late to seek shelter. Lay on the ground with your head facing towards the ground with your eyes closed. Do not raise your head. Do not open your eyes. If you are in a vehicle, park safely as quickly as possible and close your eyes. Martial law has been declared in Summerdale. Any individual with their eyes open at this time may face violent force and enucleation without trial. Any video or photographic recording is also subject to similar penalties. If military personnel attempt to blindfold you, do not resist. Do not attempt to respond to any sounds of screaming or gunfire, as you will put yourself and any person in your shelter in danger. It is not safe to exit your shelter or open your eyes until you hear an all-clear broadcast.
Close your eyes now. Cover your face now. Visual exposure to this emergency is lethal. Close your eyes now. Cover your face now. Visual exposure to this emergency is lethal. Close your eyes now. Cover your face now. Visual exposure to this emergency is lethal. Close your eyes now. Cover your face now. Visual exposure to this emergency is lethal. Close your eyes now. Cover your face now. Visual exposure to this emergency is lethal. Close your eyes now. Cover your face now. Visual exposure to this emergency is lethal. Close your eyes now. Cover your face now. Visual exposure to this emergency is lethal.
All clear. The prior emergency broadcasts advising citizens to shelter in place and close their eyes is no longer in effect, however your action is still required. Residents of the communities of Summerdale, Seminole, and Bellevue should place a white fabric, such as a towel or t-shirt, over their letterbox to signal to authorities they are aware of the emergency. Citizens will receive an inoculation which is vital to public health. Comply with all orders given to you by military personnel. Anybody who does not have a towel or t-shirt over their letterbox will receive assistance to assure their safety. It is now safe to open your eyes. The emergency has concluded. Comply with all orders you are given.